Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Square to Jotform. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is just an example form and I have successfully connected my Square right here. So as you can see, this is the Square. So if you want to customize this one, you just have to click on the properties or the settings. And then you have here now the property or the settings of the Square payment. So we have here the general, the advanced, and then we have here the category. So of course, when we preview this form right here, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we can now get or collect the payment. Okay, so I'm going to show you on how you can do that. So let's just go back right here. So the first thing that you should do is to make sure that you have logged into your Jotform account. So to check your account, just simply click on your profile at the top right of your screen. That's right. And then the next thing that you are going to do is you just have to select the form that you want to use, and then you want to add the square. Okay, so for this one, I'm just going to create a new form. So to create a new form, just have to simply click on this create option at the top left. That's right. And then here, how would you like to start? So you can create smarter forms, collect and manage data, automate workflows, and stay organized all in one place. Here you can create smarter forms, collect and manage data, automate workflows, and stay organized all in one place. So here we have form. We can also create train agents to guide users and answer questions. We can easily automate workflows and streamline approvals, make downloadable mobile apps with no coding, and then create documents that can be signed on any device, sync, manage, and collaborate on data in one place, and then generate reports from your online form data and organize tasks and ensure everything stays on track. So here I'm just going to create a forms with logic, payments, and automation. So just simply click on this one. And here you can start collecting data with powerful forms that use conditional logic, accept payments, generate reports, and automate the workflows. So we have here 5 different options. So we can start from scratch. So a blank slate is all you need, or use a template. So you can choose from 10,000 plus pre-made forms. And then we also have here smart PDF form, convert your PDF form to an online form. And then we also have here e-sign forms. So we can collect e-signatures with online forms, and then import forms. So convert an existing form in seconds. So here I'm just going to use template. So just simply click on this one. So here you just have to search for the template that you are looking for. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have a new customer registration form, product order form, appointment request form, and then there are so many forms that we can use. Okay, so for this one, I am just going to use this hotel booking form. So we can preview this form first before we can use this one. Okay, now just simply click on the use template. So here you have the details of this form. So you can boost your bookings for your hotel with a free online hotel booking form. So quickly customize and embed in your website, sync to apps and accept payments and more. So just simply click on the use template option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So now let us build our form. Okay, so as you can see right here, we already have this element. So what we're going to do here is to add the square element. So to add a new element, you just have to simply click on this add element option at the top left of your screen. Okay, right here we have the basic, the payments, and the widgets. So just going to select the payments, and we have here now the square. So we also have here different payment methods that we can use. So here we just have to drag and drop the square payment. That's right. So for example, we are going to put it right here. That's right. And then we will be redirected to the properties or to the settings of this element. Okay, so right here, of course, we have to connect our Square account. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click on this integration icon. That's right. And then here we have to add a new connection. Okay, so make sure to select the Square and then click on next. Then here just have to give your new connection a name. So for example, I'm just going to name this one as new and then click on connect with Square. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then right here is we just have to log into our Square account. Okay, so let me just go back here since I already connected my account using my Square account. So what you're going to do here now is just simply click on this one. Okay, so to add your Square account, you just have to click on it and then you just have to log in. So you'd be able to see that option once you click on it. Okay, so once you have connected your Square account, the next thing that you are going to do here is to select the payment type. Okay, so we have here sell product, sell subscription, user defined amount. Then we also have here collect donation. Okay, so for example, here we have the user defined amount. So you just have to change the payment type. Okay, that's right. And then for the currency, here, your currency was set as USD based on your Square account. So you can change your currency on your Square account. Now for your business location, you just have to select it right here. And then here for these options, we have send payment receipt and authorization only. So we're just going to turn on this option. And then for the customer email, here we had to select email. Okay, and then for the order fulfillment type, we have pick up and shipment. So just going to select shipment. And then for the payment method, so we only have here the credit card, but we can also add Google Pay, Apple Pay. We also have here like Cash App Pay and Afterpay. So you have that right here. Okay, so here for the payment methods, we have here the payment methods label text. So we can change this one. So just for example, pay here. After that, you just have to close this section. Okay, so once you're good to go, you just have to click on the publish option. That's right, and then you can now copy the link or open this one in new tab. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So we have successfully added here our Square account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.